Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Mr. Kalae Arnold.
Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. Mahalo nui loa. Thank you all so much for coming out today and for allowing me to participate in the celebration of the birth of the hula. It truly is an expression of the cultural essence of Hawaii. Through chant and dance, we are able to preserve this heritage from the past for the future. I would like to start by sharing with you Ke Ha'ala Puna. Pele's sister Hi'iaka learned this dance from her best friend Hopoi, whose real name was Nanahuki. Nanahuki is also the name of a beach in Puna on the Big Island of Hawaii. Some traditions say that this is the hula Pele requested her sisters to perform when she was aroused from her sleep after her spirit returned from Kauai. All of her sisters refused, except for Hi'iaka. This chant speaks of the pandanus, or hala groves of Kea'au, and the fragrance of lehua blossoms, caressing the woman who sways by the sea of Nanahuki.
Ai, he ha'ala puna I kamakani.
He ha'ala puna I kamakani, ha'ulu hala I kea'au, aha'enane ho'ode, akabahine. Amici kai o Nahuki Hula le ale kai o Nahuki Hula le ale kai o Nahuki o na kai kuha I kahala e kale o ke kai ke hula I na hule hua nana I kai o poe kabane ami ke kai o nana huki hula le ale kai o Nahuki hula le ale kai o Nahuki ke hala puna I kamakani ha'ulu hala kea'au aha'enane ho'ode akabahine ami'i kai o Nahuki hula le ale kai o Nahuki hula le ale kai o Nahuki o na kai kuha kahala e kale o ke kai ke luna I na puale hua nani I kai o poe kabahine ami ke kai o Nanahuki hula le ale kai o Nahuki hula le ale kai o Nahuki